Most people want to become the best version of themselves, but they don't know where to start. Money, AI, career, personal growth, it all feels overwhelming. Here, I simplify everything. I show you the exact tools, mindset and strategies or habits that helped me to grow from a very small village in India to make a life for myself in Europe, where I lead the global teams. I travel throughout the world, and also I experience the life I ever dreamed of. If you would like to join my journey, you're welcome. I'm still evolving. Ajay 2.0 is a journey, not a destination. On this channel, you will learn about how to start investing simply and start from zero, how you can grow personally, how you can change your mindset, and how you can motivate yourself. Not only that, you would also learn how to build money online, how you can start your own business, how to save hundreds of hours every week or every month using AI tools, how to change your personality, how to grow in your life and make the better version of yourself. Not only that, if you are going to join this journey with me, you would be able to create certain online income streams as well. No nonsense, no fake motivation, just the real strategies that can help you to grow in your career, and you can start at any point in your life. And here's my promise to you. If you show up with willingness to grow, I'll help you to fly higher than you think you can. Hey there, I'm Ajay. This channel is your step into becoming strongest, smartest, and most financially free version of yourself. So hit the subscribe button, stay connected, and let's build your personal freedom one step at a time. Welcome to ThriveWing. Let's thrive together.